What's up, everyone? We're out here at Midwest Performance, just enjoying a dyno day. I got the H2 dyno. It's hot. I don't know what the temperature is, but as you can hear, he's dynoing 06, 07 CBR 1000. Just a couple bikes, just hanging out, having fun. I brought the other CBR out, and here's a clip of the H2 first. That made 223 with I think I got a bad coil or bad spark plugs. Either way, so wintertime I'll just replace everything, get it good to go. We'll see what the CBR does now, and yeah, so it's a nice day. I mean, it's hot, it's humid, Illinois, what are you gonna do? But overall, not bad. Hanging out with some good bike friends, chilling, meeting new people. All right, I'll see you later. Yeah. Well, that was fun. So, the H2 made 223 horsepower with a leak in one of the exhaust runners, and the CBR made 123 with with 90-degree weather. I don't know what the humidity is, but obviously I don't know if you can see my face. Probably saw it earlier. I was sweating, but 90 degrees and I don't know, 20, 30, maybe more percent humidity. So yeah, overall not bad. Got a nice baseline for the H2 before I start ripping it apart come wintertime, and then fix it up and see what she does with all the power add-ons. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.